Extra thyroid manifestation. In the extra thyroid manifestation, number one, you have something called as the Graves ophthalmopathy. You have something called as the Graves ophthalmopathy, which is also called as eggs of Thalmos. This is also called as eggs of Thalmos, right? So what is this eggs of Thalmos that is going to happen? Now you take this as the representation of the orbit of the eye. The orbit of the eye is a bony cavity, right? Now the maximum capacity of the orbit of the eye is only 30 cc. Within this orbit of the eye, you will notice that the eyeball is being placed. So this is the eyeball that is present here. Now, this eyeball will be anchored by different muscles. You have the superior rectus muscle, you have the inferior rectus, you have the medial rectus, you have the superior oblique as well as the inferior oblique. There are a lot of ocular muscles which are going to be present, right? There are going to be a lot of ocular muscles which are going to be present here. Now, these antibodies, so this is your superior rectus, this is your superior oblique, this is your medial rectus. Let's say this happens to be the inferior oblique, this is going to be the inferior rectus muscle. So these are all the ocular muscles which are present across here. Now, these antibodies which are formed, these antibodies sometimes they get misdirected and they go and attack. So all these antibodies which are formed are the LATs antibodies. These LATs antibodies sometimes they get misdirected, and when they get misdirected, they go and attack these ocular muscles. And when they attack these ocular muscles, they will cause inflammation of the ocular muscles. Inflammation of the ocular muscles will result in edema, and you will see all this edema is going to settle behind. It is going to settle behind the eye. So there's a retroorbital edema is going to occur. Now, because the posterior surface is made up of a bony cavity, this is not going to budge. So all the accumulated fluid will exert pressure onto the eyeball. So hence the eyeball is now forced to pop out of the ocular cavity. This popping of the eyeball is what we call it as eggs of Thalmos. So